In this video, we are going to see how we can restore the left-hand navigation pane on the File Explorer in Windows 11. So if you have this left navigation pane or the quick access pane missing in this PC in Windows 11, here's how you can quickly fix it. So let's say that you open up the File Explorer or this PC and you see a simple screen like this with the navigation pane or the quick access pane missing. What you can do is you will head over to the view option and you go all the way to the bottom where you see this navigation pane. As you can see, it is right now unchecked. You'll just check this and immediately your navigation pane appears. Even if we do it in a specific drive, let's say like this, we are in the D drive or a folder, you click on show and you can enable the navigation pane from here as well. So pretty simple here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.